Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting back into some stuff again. I am going to be playing around with a little bit of makeup. The last video that I did with the contouring got me thinking about doing a cat eye. So I have decided that I'm going to come on, I'm going to do a cat eye today. Now, the makeup that I have on right now is the foundation. I've contoured my face. I've highlighted or darkened my eyebrows rather. So most of it is done. That way this video is not so long with me having to do all of the makeup all at one time. So a lot of this has already been applied. So I am going to start off first with literally doing the cat eye, which is what, if you open up this video, that's what you came to see. And that's what I'm going to deliver. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to do is I'm going to take out my eyeliner pencil. This is a liquid liner, and this is Ulta. I do have NYX. I don't really care for the NYX. It doesn't seem to come out too well, so I'm just not even going to use the NYX, but I'm going to use the Ulta, and we're going to start. I'm going to start at my bone here, and then I'm going to draw the cat eye on, and then I'll fill it in. So I'm going to use my mirror. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and use the mirror here, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try and get close enough for you to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start about right here at the bone. Hopefully I do this right and it does not turn into an epic fail, but here we go. I'm going to draw the line that I want. Let me try and I have to be as steady as I can because I am not used to doing it this way. I've done it before, and I usually don't do this because I don't really care for the cat eye. In order for me to wear it, I gotta really like how it's done. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that that was darkened. I may have to hold my eye a little bit. Okay, looks so easy on other videos and when other people do it, but when I'm doing it, it's a different story. Oh my God, my eyes are bothering me. They're getting dry. Okay, so I've drawn a line. If you notice, I've drawn a line from the bone down to the lid, the inner part of the lid. Now I'm going to draw another line, and I have to be very careful because I want this to be as precise as possible, as nice and crisp as I can get it. Alright, if you notice, this part is not that straight a line, and the reason for that is my skin kind of moved a little bit. Okay, but that's alright. I think I've drawn the line pretty decent. So now what I want to do is I want to darken, okay, now that I've drawn the line, I want to darken the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and darken the inside. And this, you know, it looks really easy when other people do it. But when I have to do this, it's not that easy. Now I challenge you guys, if you're used to doing this, of course, you probably wouldn't be watching this video. Oh my God. Okay. Alright, did I get that in there good? I feel like I didn't do that well. Let me go ahead and darken the rest of this. Fill it all in. Okay. This is not easy at all to do. Oh my God. Okay. What do you think? Alright, so now what I'm going to do, now that I fill that in, I'm going to draw a line from the outside back in. I'm going to draw the wing basically. So I'm going to start here. And I have to hold my skin because my skin tends to want to go with the pen And that's when I start making a mistake. Okay, so now I'm going to, and this is, okay. It kind of filled in on its own. I wanted to draw a line out and then come back in and then fill this part in, but my skin is moving as I do this and making it, if I don't hold it, the skin moves and then it makes it difficult to make that nice, even, straight line that you want to get. All right, so there we have it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do underneath. Okay, come on. Whew. This takes some time. Now I understand, you know, if you're trying to get ready and you're doing a winged eyeliner, I can understand now why it takes so long, because you really have to take your time and you got to make sure that you get that line in there nice and smooth and straight. Okay, there. That was some work. That really was some work. Okay, now this side right here, this is more my dominant side, my right side. This side is very difficult for me. So I need to make sure that I hold my skin once again, and this is going to be kind of difficult because I'm turning in this direction, but let's see how this works out. So once again, I'm going to start at the end of the bone and I'm going to come in. So I'm going to start about right here and I'm going to bring the line in. I need to make sure. Not going to talk for a moment, because if I talk then I move. Okay, I'm not going to worry so much about the inside right now. I just want to make sure that I get the outside. So now I'm going to do the outside. Let's get that going there. There we go. So if you can see, now I've got to fill the inside in there. This actually was a little bit smoother than my most dominant side. I think because I held my skin to make sure that it didn't move. Because once your skin moves, it's difficult to make these straight lines. And one of the keys to a cat eye is having that straight line. I think that's what makes it look so much better. Right. Try not to talk, because once again, when I talk and I move, okay, and I make errors. So this is what it looks like so far on this side, and I'm still not done because now I've got to draw the line a little bit further out. So I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to draw my wing. Once again, I got to hold your skin if you want this to come out okay. Okay, so now drawing it in. Okay, if you can see now, I still have to fill it in. Okay, now I'm filling it in. Hopefully I didn't make too bad of a mistake. I hate to touch there and then mess it up. You know, sometimes it's like, it's okay, and then you touch it and then it's like, oh, you messed it up, forget it, it's over. It's a wrap, done deal. Okay. All right, so there we have it. Can you see that? Make sure I have that in there. So there's my wing die. Okay. All right, so now let's do this. Let's finish it up. Okay, I have the wings. Now I am not going to put the eyelashes on. I don't want the falsies, because what am I doing today? I'm going to get me something to eat, and I already made something to eat, but I am going to, no, I don't want to use this one. I want to use this one. I was going to use this one. This is another Ulta. You know, whenever I buy stuff, they give me free things. I'm going to use the illegal length. All right. So, like I was saying, I'm not going to put the falsies on. You know, I have to pay for those falsies. And all I'm doing today is going and preparing my meal for dinner. And then I'm going to go to my room and turn on videos, play music, and pretend I'm at a party. Might as well. Oh yeah, and since I'm dolling myself up, I might as well take another picture for my email. I'm tired of that picture. I've had it up for a while. You know, it's time to update when you're sitting there on Zoom or you're sitting there on Hangout or something, and people see your video because you've muted your camera. All they see is your picture. I want them to see a nice updated picture, so I might as well do that tonight as well. But yeah, no falsies, not tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on 2 coats of the mascara, and then I'm going to use the curler, and that's pretty much going to be that. Now, while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to put another coat on in just a moment. I'm going to put a little bit of blush. Let's see, where is my... This is Bobbi Brown. Nothing really fancy to know. It's old. I don't even remember when I got it, but I know I didn't get it recently. Okay, I should have used the other color. Oh well, whatever. Okay, so got me a little blush, and I might as well, oh, you know something? I was at Target today, and I found this this palette from e.l.f. It's a mini palette. It's pretty cool. I like this color, so I'm going to play around with this color a little bit. This color right here, I'm going to play with that a little bit while I'm messing around. But right now, I'll just put just a little bit. I'm not going to like go crazy or anything like that with it. I'll just put a little up here. Just, oh wait. Okay. Let's give my eyelids a little color. Like I said, I'm not doing anything major tonight that I really need to be all dolled up, and this video is more so about the cat eye than it is about eyeshadow or anything like that. I know I should make it all up, but in due time, so there. That's all I'm gonna, oh wait, you know what I should do? I should put a little bit of this color right here. Let me show you this color right here. I'll put a little in the tear duct area. That seems to be all the rage these days, you know, highlighting those tear ducts. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I'm gonna look so sexy when I go in the room and watch my videos. Okay, so what do you think so far? Did I do it good? What do you think? Or was it an epic fail? All right, now tell me something. Do you think that women should stop wearing winged eyeliner after a certain age? Or do you think that it has its time and its place? I think it just has its time and its place. I think that if I were going out someplace, then yeah, I want to do the winged liner. But, you know, if I'm going to work and it's business, I don't think I really want a winged liner on. So I think it really just all depends on, you know, where you're going, what you're doing. You just have to know the time and the place for certain looks. Okay, so there we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it a little bit just to, you know, make it stand up just a little. Hopefully this is dry. Please be dry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl this. Ooh. Okay, there. Let me put on a little lipstick. Okay, this is Kylie. It's just been sitting on the shelf because, you know, I had not been crazy about the colors, but this one may not be that bad. Now what I really want to get my hands on is some Fenty. But of course I can't go to a mall, and I want to try the stuff on before I purchase it. So there you have it. Let me take a loose my hair. All right, now tell me. Oh, how could I forget? Let me just put a little powder on. Don't want to be oily. Do a little translucent powder here. I don't want to be oily, but I don't want to be ashy either. I don't want to be looking like Casper the Ghost. Let's fix that. Okay. So, what do you think? Did I rock it? Did I do it right? Or is it a fail? There are my eyes. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thank you so much for watching. Those of you who are new to my channel, if you've made it this far with me to hear this, then obviously you must like me. So please hit that like button, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I will be bringing you more videos on everything from beauty, health, fitness, and everything that's going on with me as far as weight loss, and on and on and on. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you make a comment also. Let me know what you think about women wearing winged eyeliner. Is it for older women or not? Is it strictly for younger women? Let me know something, all right? All right, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.